Hi guys, how to download Blender in laptop. Now, open your preferred web browser, like Google Chrome, search for Blender, and click on the official website, blender.org. Here is a critical warning. Watch out for fake download sites that look like the real one. Always check for blender.org in the URL. Click on the main download tab at the top of the page, then click the big download Blender button to start downloading the installation file to your computer. This is the most important step, so don't click any other buttons on the page. Once the file finishes downloading, open your File Explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder, and double-click the Blender installer file to open it. Here is a quick heads up. If you don't see the file, try sorting by date modified to find the most recent download. Follow the Setup Wizard pop-up window. Click Next, accept the terms, choose your installation path, click Next again, and then click Install. Approve any Windows security prompts that appear. Here is a pro tip. Installing on an SSD instead of a hard drive will make Blender load much faster. Click Finish once the setup is complete. You can now open Blender using the new shortcut on your desktop, or by searching for it in your Windows Start menu to start modeling.